Let us see how we could use the sign up form. Values dot email, and for the password we could use values dot password, and for the name we could use values dot name. This would return a promise because access returns a promise with the payload from the backend. And after this we could set submitting as false. This is actually a function provided by Formic in this bag. I think you would need to read a lot of Formic documentation to have some grasp of what Formic provides. So Formic actually injects these things that you could use. So right now we're telling the form to set the submitting property as false. The submitting property is actually used inside the inner form right here. So the button is disabled while we are submitting to prevent the user from sending several HTTP requests. So as we get a result, we set submitting as false, and even if the result is an error, we should also set submitting with false. Okay, cool. After we've actually signed up, we could show the user that they have signed up successfully using a toast. So there are several packages that use toast on the internet for React, and we would use a package that is called React Toastify. If you searched for React Toastify, you could find this GitHub link, and you could get a grasp of what it does in this GitHub documentation. So what you need to do is at first import the CSS in the index.js, and second thing you need to use this toast container in your app, so it will be provided for your whole application. You could go to app.js and provide it right here. For sure we would need to import it. Aha, we forgot to actually install this package, so npm install react toastify. So after installing it, we should be able to import it from here. If it is not shown, we could do something else. We could just copy paste this thing here. So the toast container is actually a component, and the toast is a function. This function could be used anywhere in your application. So for example, in the enhanced sign up form, right here we could use the toast, and we will say toast.success and write our message. Right now this would not work because we need to have only one child in the app.js. So as you could see, currently this browser router contains more than one child. So let us try to put this right here. As you could see, the app right now is working. So right now, after emitting this success, we need to just know what is the payload, and the same thing, if there is an error, let us know what is the error. And due to testing reasons, we could just add here some labels so that we could prevent wasting time filling these labels every time manually. So we could just add here Ahmed and have an email at ahmed@test.com. Okay, so let us try to to use this form.